It's John Champion, and alongside me, Jim Beglin. And we're both thoroughly enjoying the atmosphere at Wembley.
Thanks, John. Hello, everyone. I mean, what an atmosphere we've got in this stadium today. It's all very, very exciting.
Let's take a look then at the two teams. So, Jim, how do you see this fixture unfolding?
Well, both teams have spent enough time on preparation. I mean, physically and tactically, they should be in perfect condition. It might come down to luck today, you know.
Away we go then. Baines. Here's Cahill. Here's a ball in. He takes the opportunity to shoot. Keeper got his hand to it.
He was right in front of goal, and he probably should have scored, to be fair.
Ball in, and a skillfully directed header. They've scored! It's 1-0. Really quick reactions to the loose ball.
All credit to the attacker there, but you have to ask questions of that defence. What were they doing?
They've gone ahead so early in the game.
I think that goal will give them great confidence now, though they can't afford to become complacent. That would be silly at this stage.
The ball crossed the line. Dyer. A cross in, and the cross met firmly. Forward it goes. Cahill, already a goal scorer in this match. Didn't get anywhere near the ball. Free kick. Hits a ball in. Here's Cahill. They're breaking out quickly here. Osman. And play switched across. It went out of play. Gibson. And a cross. No, it was cut out. Plays this forward. Fellaini makes the interception. Here is Osman. Good support. Chance. Possibility for a shot. Britton. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. He's onside here. Britton. Here's a throw in a potentially dangerous area too. And he crosses to the centre. And they've cleared it away. Now they'll have to face a corner. He knocks it in. Flag was up, just caught offside there. Good call by the assistant referee.
That was very, very close. He was just offside.
Free kick given by the referee. A ball in. Gibson.